Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about a program that was multiplication table program. So without making any delay, let's quickly jump into the discussion. So what is this multiplication table program? In our childhood, in our schooling, we taught this multiplication tables, right? That was 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, right? If it is a 2 table, we will say 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8, and so on and so forth, right? And also we will do it till 10 steps, right? Okay, now we need to write a program for that multiplication table. So let us see this. If table number equal to 5 and steps equal to 6, then the output should be like 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, and so on. 5 6 are 30. So if the table number is 5, we need to do a 5 table, and also we need to go till the steps that the user has given. Here I define number of steps equal to 6. That's why I go till 6. For suppose if I define steps equal to 7, I need to go till 5 into 7, that was 35 also. And if my number of steps equal to 10, then I need to go till 5 into 10, that was 50. And if my number of steps was 20, I need to go till 5 into 20, that was 100. Now let's write the code for it. Let's figure out the logic in simple words first. At first, we need to take the input from the user. So what are my inputs? So my inputs are table number and number of steps, right? And next, the logic. So what could be my logic? I will use a for loop. I will use a for loop because if you observe, we are following a sequence, right? So we will compute 5 into 1 first. Later we will go for 5 into 2. And later we will go for 5 into 3. And so on. Finally, I was going till 5 into 6. I was forming a sequence. I was going from 1 and going till steps, right? And I was iterating on each and every number within this range, right? So that's why I will use a for loop. And finally, we have to print the output. The output should be like this. That was in a tabular format, right? Okay, now let's write the code for it. Okay, let me keep a comment first. Multiplication table program, right? So at first we have to take the input. So what are my inputs? My inputs are the table number and the number of steps, right? So I will keep n equal to int of input of enter table number, right? And for the steps equal to int of input of enter number of steps, right? So the input part was completed. Now we need to focus on the logic part. So I will use a for loop first for I in range of from where to where I need to go till. I need to start from 1 and I need to go till steps, right? So steps plus 1, right? And next what I need to do now? Okay. If you observe, I was doing table number into the step number, right? I was doing n into n is the table number and I is the step number, right? For I in range of 1 comma steps plus 1. So we are computing n into I, right? Okay, let's keep that. We need to print n into I, right? So if we print like this, how my output should looks like? It looks like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, right? But we need to print the output like 5 into 1 equal to, 5 into 2 equal to, 5 into 3 equal to, right? So for that, what we need to do? So I will do n comma, I need to use an asterisk symbol, comma, I, comma, equal to, comma. So if we do like this, then the output will looks like this. Okay. Okay, this is the logic part and also the printing part. Okay, let me print another statement like before printing the table, I want to print a statement that was n table, right? Nothing but 5 table or 6 table or 7 table, right? So this is the program, guys. Okay, let me run this program, guys. I will give my table number as 5 and the number of steps as 6. So if you see the 5 table, 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 2 equal to 10, 5 into 3 equal to 15, and then 20, 30, 25, 30. In this way, the program will work. Let me run this again, and this time I will give a table and I will go till 10 steps. So if you see 8 ones are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, right? So this is the multiplication table program using for loop. We can implement the same program using a while loop also. Okay, let's do that. So while, so what could be my condition? I am starting my table number from 1 to steps, right? So my I will start from 1 and I will go till steps, right? And this is the condition under while loop. Okay. Now we need to print the same one. We need to print n into I, which is equal to n into I, right? And what we need to do in the while loop, we need to definitely keep an increment or decrement statement. And what we are doing, we are incrementing the number every time. In the first iteration, it was 1, and the second iteration, it was 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So we need to use an increment statement that was I equal to I plus 1. So this is the code, guys. Let me run this program. So I will give 14 table and I will go till 8 steps. So if you see, this is the 14 table, right? Let me run this program again. This time I will give table number 10 and I will go till 30 steps. So if you see, the table started from 1 and it goes till the step number 30, right? So this is the program of multiplication table, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!